An automobile moving with a speed of 30 meters per second is approaching a factory we saw that has a frequency of 500. So let's break it down just here. This automobile is the observer. So the driver of that car is the observer. So moving with a speed of 30. So speed of the observer is 30 meters per second. Then approaches a factory we saw that has a frequency of 500. So the source, which is the factory we saw, this is what is producing the sound. So it's not moving because it's a factory, of course it's stationary. So the source is having a speed of 0 meters per second. Then what else do we have? We have the actual frequency, which is 500 hertz, like this. All right, so according to the Doppler effect, for us to be able to calculate the apparent frequency, because it says what is the apparent frequency of the whistle heard by the driver in the automobile. So the Doppler effect in this case will be given by the formula F prime, which is the apparent frequency, is equals to F open bracket V plus V sub O divided by V minus V sub S. But the source has a 0. So actual frequency is 500. Open bracket. The speed of sound in air is 340, or given. So we'll say 340 plus V sub O is 30 divided by 340 minus V sub S is 0 because the source is not moving. So apparent frequency will be equals to 500, open bracket, 370 divided by 340. Like that. So 370 divided by 340 is 1.088. This is 1.088. So we have to multiply this with 500, and that gives us the apparent frequency. So multiplied by 500, we're getting an apparent frequency of 544.1 hertz. So that is our part A of the question. This is part A. Part B says, repeat the case of the car leaving the factory. So the only thing that would differ in this case for part B is that the velocity of the observer is now negative because now it's moving away. So the factory also still has the same 0. That's the speed of the source. Then the frequency is still the same as well, 500 hertz. So let's find the apparent frequency. So the formula will change in this way. We'll say apparent frequency is equals to F, open bracket. Since V is negative, you can just say V plus V sub O divided by V minus V sub S. Then we substitute. So here we have a 500, open bracket, 340. So the velocity of the observer now is negative 30 divided by 340 minus 0. So F prime is equals to 500. Then here we have 310 over 340. Like that. Okay. So 310 over 340 gives us 0.912. So F prime 500, 0.912. So if we multiply that by 500, this gives us 455.9. 455.9 hertz. So there you have it.